Whose dog is this?
Yes, he's my dog, Colonel, sir.
What in tarnation? Did you train this dog, soldier?
Yes, sir. Wasn't that hard, sir?
At ease. Look at him. He has been training alongside you guys, and he drills better than most of you. You could all learn something from him.
What, Stubby?
Okay, gas!
Hey, little dog. The dog is trying to warn us. Everybody, go inside and put on your masks.
Stubby!
It's okay, shh. Stubby, it's gonna be okay, shh.
Thank you for my whole village.
His name is Stubby.
Our hero, Stubby.